Let's go ahead and discuss the tools and supplies you're going to need. First and foremost, you're going to need muslin. You're going to need enough to be able to drape and prototype, so that'll be up to what design you're going to do. And you're also going to need a good pair of fabric shears. There are lots of really good ones out on the market, and these are my favorite pair to use while draping and also cutting smaller items. You're also going to need pins. You can either use pins like this that are more like quilting pins to help you keep all your fabric together. You're also going to need marking utensils. I have a regular pencil, a mechanical pencil, and an ink pen. You'll be seeing me use these interchangeably throughout the video. You're also going to need a serrated tracing wheel and a pencil sharpener, especially if you have a heavy hand and your point gets really dull really quickly. And you're also going to need a pair of paper scissors for cutting out your paper patterns, because we are going to be creating our own paper patterns in this series. You're also going to need some magic Scotch tape. I usually work off of a dispenser. I highly recommend a dispenser because if you're getting into pattern making, you're going to be using a lot of tape. Another really important tool that you're going to need is the draping tape. This is mine. It is a 1/4 inch wide, and it is going to be used for our dress form before we start draping. You're also going to need